Everyone dreams of working at Google, and for good reason. From sky-high salaries to insane perks, Google is one of the best places to work in tech. But how do you actually get in? In today's video, I'm breaking down everything. Eligibility, placement process, salary structure, perks, and how you can start preparing right now. Let's go. To get started, here are the basic qualifications Google expects for a software engineering role, especially if you're a fresher. You need a degree, Bachelor of Technology, Bachelor of Engineering, Master of Technology, or Master of Computer Applications in Computer Science, IT, or a similar field. There's no strict CGPA cutoff, but a strong academic background definitely helps. You should be good at data structures, algorithms, operating systems, database management systems, and computer networks. Programming skills in C++, Java, or Python are a must. If you've done projects, internships, or competitive coding, that's a huge plus. Here's how the placement process usually looks, whether it's on campus or off campus. Step 1. Online assessment. You'll face a test with 2 to 3 coding problems and sometimes multiple choice questions. It's tough but fair. Step 2. Technical interviews, 3 to 4 rounds, each 45 to 60 minutes long. Heavy focus on problem solving, data structures and algorithms, and writing clean, efficient code. Step 3. Hiring committee review. This is unique to Google. A panel of experts evaluates your interview performance, feedback, and skills holistically. Step 4. HR round. The final step. You'll discuss role expectations, compensation, location, and more. Let's talk about what you really want to know. How much does Google actually pay its engineers? If you're considering a career at Google, understanding the salary structure is crucial, and it's more than just a number on your offer letter. Here's the estimated salary for a software engineer at level 3, also known as SWE3. This is typically the entry-level position for new graduates or those with a couple of years of experience. The base salary for this role usually falls somewhere between 12 to 15 lakhs per annum. This is your fixed pay, the amount you can count on every month, regardless of performance or company results. On top of your base salary, there's a performance bonus. This bonus is typically around 2 to 3 lakhs per annum, and it's awarded based on your individual performance as well as the company's overall success. It's a great way to reward hard work and dedication. Plus, you get a joining bonus, which is usually about 1 to 2 lakhs per annum. This is a one-time payment to welcome you on board and help you settle in, making your transition to Google even smoother. And here's the big one. Stock options, or RSUs, which can add up to 10 to 20 lakhs per annum, typically spread over 4 years. These restricted stock units are a major part of your compensation and can grow significantly if Google's stock price rises. So if you add it all up, the total CTC, or cost to company, comes out to an impressive 25 to 35 lakhs per annum, or sometimes even more, depending on your performance and the company's growth. Google's compensation package is designed to reward talent and loyalty. The generous stock grants in particular can be absolutely life-changing over time, giving you a real stake in the company's future success. Now, let's talk about the legendary perks you get after joining Google. And yes, they're honestly as good as you've heard. Google is famous for its employee benefits, and for good reason. The company goes above and beyond to make sure its people feel valued, comfortable, and inspired every single day. Whether you're just starting out or have been in the industry for years, these perks are designed to make your work-life balance truly exceptional. Free food, all meals, snacks, and drinks. Free, unlimited, and super tasty. From gourmet breakfasts to healthy lunches and delicious dinners, you'll never have to worry about packing a lunch again. There are also endless snack bars and coffee stations, so you can refuel whenever you need a boost during the day. World-class health insurance for you and your family, including mental health and wellness support. Google's comprehensive plans cover everything from routine checkups to specialist care, and there are on-site wellness resources like fitness centers, counseling, and even mindfulness sessions to help you stay healthy in every way. You also get a flexible work environment, with hybrid working, remote setup support, and really beautiful workspaces when you go in. Whether you prefer working from home or love the energy of the office, Google provides the tools and spaces you need to do your best work wherever you are. There's access to paid certifications, internal tech talks, and even time for those 20% passion projects. Google encourages you to keep learning and growing, offering resources for professional development, mentorship programs, and opportunities to work on innovative ideas outside your main role. If you need to move cities or apply globally, Google has got your back with relocation and visa support. They'll help you settle in, handle the paperwork, and make sure your transition is as smooth as possible so you can focus on your new adventure. And of course, the fun and culture, hackathons, games, outings, and a people-first environment that truly celebrates innovation. At Google, you're not just joining a company, you're becoming part of a vibrant community where creativity, collaboration, and well-being are at the heart of everything. Alright, so how do you actually crack the Google interview? It's a big question, and the process can feel overwhelming, but with the right strategy, you can absolutely do it. Here's what works, step by step. First, focus on data structures and algorithms. These are the foundation of most Google interview questions, so make sure you're comfortable with the basics and advanced concepts alike. Don't just memorize solutions, understand how and why they work. Spend time solving problems on LeetCode, and try to cover a wide range of topics and difficulty levels. Track your progress and revisit problems you found challenging. Practice on Codeforces or HackerRank as well. These platforms offer timed contests and unique problems that help you get used to thinking under pressure, just like in a real interview. Make sure you master topics like trees, graphs, dynamic programming, and recursion. These areas come up often, and being able to explain your thought process clearly is just as important as getting the right answer. Next, do mock interviews. Practice on platforms like Pramp. Mock interviews help you get comfortable with the interview format and improve your communication skills. Or try interviewing.io to simulate real pressure. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel. Third, build projects. Real-world projects matter a lot because you want to show you can solve problems, not just write code. Projects demonstrate your creativity, initiative, and ability to work through real challenges from start to finish. Fourth, apply for Google internships like STEP. Internships are a fantastic way to get your foot in the door, gain experience, and learn how Google teams operate. Or Summer of Code. These can actually lead to full-time offers if you perform well. And finally, get referrals. Reach out on LinkedIn, share your story, and connect with people who work at Google. Don't be afraid to respectfully ask for referrals. A strong referral can make your application stand out and give you a real advantage in the hiring process. So there you go. Everything you need to know about getting placed at Google. It's tough, yeah, but absolutely possible with the right strategy and consistency. If you want a complete Google Prep roadmap with weekly goals and resources, just drop a comment below and I'll create a custom one just for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tech career videos. Catch you in the next one. And good luck with your journey to Google. Oh, and subscribe. Would you like a combined comparison video on Google versus Microsoft? Let me know below.